Show you OwnBase. This is already set up for this project. So I wanted to show you how it navigates. You can create as many new organizations as your server allow for its configuration with RAM and storage and everything. So you just simply, just like normal Superbase, just create any organization that you like, name it what you like, and then add all the projects underneath it. So that's how that one works. So then you'll see both your organizations there. This project already have, um, this organization already have two projects in for testing purposes for you to see. So again, up top, you can just see how you can switch between the orgs, or you can switch between projects, just like the default Superbase hosted. Inside here, you can see I created some tables that's for customers, for orders, for you to kind of see how that it looks. One of the things I really liked about this was that I had the editor enabled so that you can deploy um, edge functions from the editor, like, because I had to use that a lot in hosted Superbase when I was using that. You still have also all your other integrations that you're maybe accustomed to. Thing that was costing me a lot was the log drains. So you can actually go ahead and utilize those, add your endpoints, have you like to. So everything else you're gonna see is pretty much standard, like what you are seeing either in hosted Superbase currently. So you got that authentication is there. Also providers, so you can have that part. With email, you can even set up your SMTP for that. So now we're going to show you that I've already added this to Flutterflow. So let me get that pulled up. So here in Flutterflow, I've already added the schema, so you can see that it's connected. Even if you go back over here to demo one, if you want to add an additional column, you go back over here to orders. You notice that column is not there currently, so it's pretty quick of updating those things too. So there's your new test column there. So I now already added the edge function too, because I had created one for demo purposes. So that's the edge function there. Summary. So you could quickly test it, get that data. So I'm gonna show you how that looks. I already wired this up, so I just show you what I did. I'm just calling that customer row table, getting all those rows, orders, and then calling that edge function. So that's all that's doing on page load. So here's that. So again, if I wanted to go back in here and change anything, just to mark as I'm able to just go ahead and you will see that the data is going to be reflected on the page load. There it is. So orders, got all those, and then a summary. So you You see how it's perfectly working. Thank you guys.